do a fall DIY. For this project, I'm going to be using plastic pumpkins. I got this at Target for like $8 and I ended up getting 4. The first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm gonna be carving off the stem. So now I'm going to be spray painting my pumpkins. Once your pumpkins are dry completely, you're going to add some rocks for some weight. Guys, so once you spray painted your pumpkins, now we're gonna hot glue them together. So they're gonna be going like this. For this part, I'm going to be adding some foam at the bottom of my pumpkin for the flowers later on. Add your flowers and adjust them however you like. Lastly, decorate however you want. I'm just adding flowers in the center points of each pumpkin. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.